So I made those ice cream drumsticks everybody's been making, where you get the ingredients, blah, 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 you scoop in your hands, you make a mess, and I'll tell you it's a big mess. You get it all ready, you form it around your chocolate bar, blah, 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 you roll it, then you freeze it. Here's the frozen product. So you can see after it froze, like some of the ice cream might have oozed out, but it looked like a chicken leg. It did. And you know what I like with chicken? Something hot and spicy. Check this out. Mike's Honey Hot. So we're gonna have honey hot ice cream chicken. This should be interesting, right? Well, think of the ingredients. You know, there's a lot of the cinnamon and French toast. Now it's gonna be hot and sweet with the hot honey. Let's check it out. You know what this tastes like? Fried ice cream, if you remember that. Check that out. Whoa. This is crispy, cool, creamy. This is amazing. 10 out of 10. Game over.